Hey, to change microphone volume level of your SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 wireless headphones, first of all, you will have to open Sonar application on your PC. Then go for Engine. Right now, you will have to select Gear and select your Arctis Nova 5. Then you will have to go for the audio settings and now select 2.4 or Bluetooth. Scroll all the way down and here you can increase or decrease the mic volume. Then click Save in the right bottom corner of this window. Close it with the X, and also you can click on the taskbar on the speaker icon with the right mouse button. Select to open the sound mixer and go for the sound. Right now you will have to scroll down, then you can select your microphone of the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 and also move this slider to the left or to the right side to increase or decrease volume level. When you click here, you can also find some other options. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.